Welcome to our ultimate detox guide. If you're feeling sluggish, bloated, or just need a reset, you're in the right place. Let's dive into how you can detoxify and rejuvenate your body naturally. Detoxification is all about purifying your body from the inside out. It's a process of eliminating toxins and nourishing yourself with healthy nutrients. Think of it as a reset button for your system. Your body has built-in detox systems. The liver filters toxins, the kidneys help with waste removal, and your skin, lungs, and intestines play key roles too. When these systems are compromised, it can lead to various symptoms. Here's what to watch for: fatigue, joint and muscle pain, sinus congestion, headaches, bloating and gas, constipation or diarrhea, skin issues like acne or rashes, sleep problems, trouble losing weight. If you're experiencing any of these, it might be time to consider a detox. Your body is a natural detox machine. It eliminates waste through sweat, urine, and stool. Let's support these natural processes. The liver processes toxins. The kidneys filter blood and produce urine. The skin sweats out impurities. The intestines process waste into stool. Here's how to give your detox systems a boost. 1. Eat clean and fresh. Go organic and cut out processed foods. Choose fresh fruits and vegetables to lighten your body's load. 2. Drink plenty of water. Water is your best friend in detox. Aim for 5-6 liters a day. Add fruits like lemon or mint for a tasty twist. 3. Start exercising. Exercise helps you sweat out toxins. It's a great way to stay fit and detoxify at the same time. 4. Try fasting. Give your digestive system a break with a fruit and veggie fast for a day or two. 5. Go green. Green smoothies are packed with nutrients. Blend leafy greens, fruits, and veggies for a powerful detox boost. 6. Boost your tea intake. Drink green or black tea for antioxidants that help flush out impurities. Aim for at least 2 cups a day. Ready to refresh and rejuvenate? Follow these tips and give your body the detox it deserves. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more health tips and tricks.